Welcome to the Tech Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about motion capture and Unity and how to do this. So first we have to set up OptiTrack. So I made this little demo about a few weeks ago. I haven't been able to touch it since, but now we're ready to jump back into it. So now I'm going to set up the OptiTrack system real fast so I can actually show you what the game looks like. So montage time, whoosh. So real fast, this is the wand right here. This is what we're going to use. So right here we have the ground plane. Okay, so now it's time to suit up. Woo. Right here we have one of the motion capture dots. So we have a lot of points here. I'm going to try to stand up in the T-pose and try to get this, try to recalculate my limbs. It's probably not going to work out, and I probably need to contact somebody.
Yeah, let me see. T-pose is our
Oh, T-pose. Woo! But we're ready to go. We're ready to show you the game. So, woo! So I was editing the video and I realized the Velcro suit I was wearing was actually so tight that audio wasn't properly getting to the lavalier I was wearing in Unity, so any help is appreciated. So I'm going to delve over to the video that I did and everything should be good to go. So now we got the skeleton working and motive. Now we're going to take this over into Unity. So you can see I'm just moving around, not doing really anything. But here in a second you're going to see I kick the box and nothing happens. So that's what we're basically going to be doing in this video, is adding a hitbox to his arm and his legs and just his body. That way, mission failed. The Holler boy can manipulate the world with his hands and feet. And you can see he actually already has little boxes in his feet and hands. So we're just going to edit those, make them bigger, make sure, make sure rigid bodies on them and everything like that, and that they're actually connected. So using the hierarchy, we can actually parent those cubes to his body. So that's what you're seeing here. I already have his left arm and everything, just to kind of make it easier. So we're just going to be scaling it up. So yeah, you could follow this at home, and actually if you have anything like a Connect or something, you can also join in the motion capture fun. So I got my arms done. Now I'm going to be doing the same thing with the legs. Legs are a little easier. They don't have any weird bends to them. They're kind of just straight down. Legs, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And I also added a texture to all my cubes. That way they were easy to distinguish between the Holler boy and what his hitbox is going to be. And so now that we have that done, I'm just going to lay out some cubes around. That way I can interact with them. Okay, so you can see my guy's looking a little wild. He looks like he's just full water cubes. But like I said, we can hide those. But it's good to see him because then we know what is actually hitting the cubes, since his body isn't actually what's going to be hitting them, and it's going to be those little hit boxes, like they're literal hit boxes. You can see the cube, is it reacting pretty well? So that's one reason we're trying to actually incorporate the virtual reality into this, because as you can tell, it's kind of hard to find where am I in this space. And I mean, we could have someone here call it out, or we could have screens all over the place. But I think the best way to get the best experience is just to add the virtual reality, which we have been able to add in, but it looks a little choppy. So we're going to try to refine that a little bit, and then we'll show y'all that. And maybe y'all have some tips. If you have any ideas how to make this better, some things to add, please let us know down in the comments. So that's it for Tech Tuesday today. So if you liked what you saw today, please hit that little bell button, like, subscribe, do it all. I don't actually have my head on right now, I just realized, but everything's still working because it's following all the other points I do have. So that's it for today. I'm Adrian, and I'll holler at you later. Hey, what happened to my arm? My arm's broken, but that's because I'm not wearing my hand. Okay, so whoosh. So yeah, if you'd like to see more motion capture things in Unity, we're going to continue this game's development. Like I said, I'm not a professional game developer in any way, so any tips or tricks or anything, coding or anything that you think might be better than what I'm doing, please let us know down in the comments. Go to theholler.org and do all that. Thanks so much, and stay tuned for more. Ah! No! I messed up.